thousands, and so on are called decimal fractions. Decimal always comes after fraction. That means कि both are deeply related, decimal and fraction. That is why this is called decimal fractions. Now children, why do we need decimals? So all of you know, if you have written 4 to 1, everybody you know this is 421. So this is 100 place, this is tens place, this is ones place. So when you are going left to right, 10 times place value is decreasing. 10 times place value is decreasing. And when you are going right to left, place value 10 times increasing. 1, 10, 100. 10 times increasing. And when you are going left to right, 10 times decreasing. From 100, here will be tens. From tens, here will be ones. Now from ones, what will be next item? Now one answer will be less than 1. From this side, when you go left to right, after ones, that will be less than 1. So this side again, this place is 10th. After 10th, the next place is 100th. When you are going left to right, say children, this side 100, tens, ones. After ones, we are going in decreasing. After ones, this will be 10th. Means 10 times you have to. If you divide 100 by 10, answer will be 10. If you divide 10 by 10, answer will be 1. And if you divide 1 by 10, answer will be 1/10. So here any number given, you have to write by 10. And second place, suppose here is point. So after point, here is 10th place. Just second place is 100th place, and third place is 1000th place. 1000th place. Now see children, suppose this diagram is given. One is whole, another whole, but this side, this whole is divided into 10 equal parts. So how you will write in fraction? What you can write here? 1, 1. So this will be 2, and this will be total parts 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what to do here? You have to write here 10. And how many parts taken? 1, 2, 3. So this will be in fraction, this will be 2 whole 3 by 10. Now in decimal, just now I have explained कि 10th place, where is 10th place? Just after decimal. So this will be decimal number because this 3 taken from 10 parts. So if your fraction is proper fraction, answer will be always less than 1. And decimal always, value of decimal number is always less than 1. So first write down 2, then give point. Now just after point, all of you know this is 10th place, just after first place. And if here is 10, put here 3. Now see, 2 whole 3 by 100. That means कि out of 100 parts, taken 3 parts. So here what to do? This 2 is whole number. So whole number place where? Where is whole number place? Just left side of decimal. So first put whole number decimal, and left side write your whole number. This. Now here you have to decide. This will decide where 3 will go. At the first place, at the second place, at the third place. So this 100 means your 100 is saying this 3 will go on 100th place. So first place, this is 10th place. Now this 3 will come here. So this answer will be 2.03. Now suppose 4 whole 15 by 1000. Now this 1000 will decide that this 15 is out of 1000, 15 you have taken. So what to do? एकदम sure if denominator is 10, after point 1 digit. If denominator is 100, after point 2 digit. If denominator is 1000, after point 3 digit. So again you have to give point, just left side of point you have to write whole number, and this side after point it should be 3 digit, and you have only 2 digits. So what to do? You have to write like this, in this way. Now what will be question? Different type of question of decimals given. Write each decimals in fraction or number or mixed number. Write each number or mixed number as decimals. Different type. So each number, suppose here written 4 by 10, no whole number, no problem. This 10 will decide. This decide कि after point how many digits. So 1 0, that means कि point, and this 4 will come here. And what will be here? There is no whole number. So here also no whole number. Now children, this is fraction number and this is decimal number. So now see 2.45. Now this is decimal number, you have to write in mixed number or numbers. So first, how you will write mixed number? Write here 2. This is whole number, and then give this line. Now see properly, then you can write what will be here as denominators. Count after point how many digits? 1 2. So here you have to write 100, and what will be at the top? This will be 45. Now see 14.253. Now you have to write as mixed number. How you will write? First 14 whole. Now count what will be here. Here, from here you can find what will be here. So after point 1 2 3 digit. So you have to write here 1000, and here 1 2 3. So here you have to write 253. In this way. Now see children, suppose written 28.12. Different type of question can be asked and you can give answer. Suppose your question in this number, what is place value of this 2? This 2, this is already all of you know, this is 28. This is 28 means what? 20 and 8. So place value of this 2 is 20. After that, what is place value of this 8? Is 8. Now what is place value of this 1? You can write here 0.1. What is place value of this 2? You can write here 0.02. Here. Now another type of question. Suppose here is written this plus 8 plus 1 by 10 plus 2 by dash. Now you have to think 8 is written, 1 by 10 is written, what left? So this 2 is left. That means place value of this 2 is 20. Now 1 by 10. This 2, second place, 2 is at the 100th place. 1 2. So here will be 100. Like this you can write all the sums, 10th, 100, 1000. Okay, thank you children.